I hope you are doing well. Do you want to see all the contacts saved on your Gmail account? In this video, I will show you how to check saved contacts on Gmail. So, to know how to do this, just follow me step by step. First you have to do is to go to the sign of Google Chrome. So you will enter to Google Chrome as you see, and you will click here. As you see here in this first page, you will find Google Chrome. So you will click on this sign of profile. You will enter to your profile. Then you will find this page of manage your Google account. You will enter to manage your Google, and here in this page of Google account you will find people and sharing, contacts, blogs, blocked users, location sharing, profiles. So you will go to this page. After that, here in this list you will have this sign of contacts. So you will find here all your contacts on this window as you see. So you'll find a lot of contacts here. If this first method not working with you and you don't get the first option, you can simply write here contacts.google.com and it will brought you automatically to contacts here as you see. Then what you have to do is to go to the sign on above 3 lines. In this page here, as you see, we go to other contacts. So here in other contacts you will find other Gmails and emails, and then you will click here on trash if you want to see trash contacts, and also you can go to frequent to see frequent contacts here. So you can check all these contacts in that way. But if you want to make sure that your contacts are synced up on your Gmail account, you have to go to settings. Then in this list you will enter to this window of accounts and backup, manage account smart switch here. Then in this page you will have this window of manage account. When you will enter to manage account, you will find your emails that you have on your phone. So you will choose the email that you want to sync up your contacts. So when you choose your email, you will go to sync account. You will enter to sync account here and make sure that your contact is enabled like this, turn on to sync on this email like this. If it is turned off, you will click here to turn on it in that way. So that's it. This is how you can check your saved contacts on Gmail. If this video is helpful for you and if you are enjoying watching this video, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.